Command prompt is a powerful tool that allows you to perform a wide range of advanced administrative tasks such as managing files, running programs, and configuring system settings functions by entering specific commands, all without using a graphical user interface. Hi there! In today's video, we'll be checking out some of the most powerful commands for command prompt. There's a bonus tip in the video, so don't forget to watch the video till the end. Let's begin. Before we proceed, keep in mind that some of these commands will require you to run with admin rights. So if it doesn't work, try doing through this. When you empty your recycle bin, you think the files are permanently deleted. That's not true. The fact is, they're still present on your hard drive or SSD, and it's only the space that was occupied by deleted data gets deallocated. This free space becomes available to use when the new data is written to it, and then only the deleted files are erased. This is one of the reasons why data recovery softwares are able to recover most of your data. To permanently erase the deleted files, we'll be using cipher, a powerful command tool that is mainly used to encrypt or decrypt files. Let's see how we can use this. In command prompt, type in cipher space /w, which is the command to erase all deleted data, followed by the drive name. This will start to overwrite all deleted data with random data. This is the simplest way to remove all kinds of traces from your storage. This next one is interesting, and I too was surprised when doing the research. First, open this PC, or also known as my computer. In the Windows installed directory, which will normally be C drive for most people, note the current free space left in it. Now in command prompt, type in powercfg space -h space off and hit enter. Refresh the My Computer page and you'll see few GBs of free space have been unlocked. Wonder why? Well, your computer creates a hibernation file which occupies some storage. The purpose of this is when your computer enters in a low power state or known as hibernation mode, your current session is saved to your hard drive and then shuts down. Whenever you decide to power on again, the OS will use the hibernation file to resume from where you left off. I advise you to use this if you're running short on free space or have a small SSD. Other than that, you shouldn't change this. In case you want to revert in future, replace the off command with on. Next one is one of the most commonly used commands, but quite an important one. IPConfig space /all lists you all the detailed information about your internet hardware and connection, like IP address, MAC address, also known as physical address, current domain of the network, and other things. This information becomes really important when you have to troubleshoot an issue with your internet connection. Another command in this is IPConfig space /flushdns. This is one of the troubleshooting commands used when you're facing issues related to websites not opening. Your computer creates DNS cache in which the IP addresses of websites that you've recently visited are stored so that your computer can quickly access those websites the next time you visit them. When you use flushdns command, you clear the DNS cache and force your computer to obtain new DNS information. Windows System Assessment Tool is a utility provided by Microsoft that allows users to run a range of tests and benchmarks to evaluate the performance, capabilities of their computer, and to provide a rating for various aspects of the system's performance. In the earlier versions of Windows, this was known as Windows Experience Index and was easy to access from Control Panel, but that's no longer possible after Windows 8.1. Using command prompt, we'll be able to run similar tests. Type in winsat space formal. And after the tests are completed, open PowerShell either from Start menu, or if you have the latest update installed in Windows 11, opening a new tab in CMD will do the same thing. Over here, type in this command. This will show the assessment results and list the hardware score, that is 9.9 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. Robocopy, also known as robust file copy, allows users to quickly and efficiently copy files from one location to another. For example, I've created two folders here. One is the source, that is the location of the files I want to copy from, and another folder is the destination where I want it copied. In command prompt, type in Robocopy space the source path that can be copied from here. space destination path and hit enter. You'll see all the files in this folder are copied to the other folder. If you want to copy files for a specific format, let's say a document file, use the previous command and at the end of it, add star followed by the format name. This will not copy the files from the subdirectory as the source path is different. If you have more than one format in mind, repeat this process. Don't forget to include the dot and space. Lastly, when you use Robocopy followed by source and destination, add in /mir. With this, you'll be able to mirror all the files, which means that any files that are deleted or updated in the source directory will also reflect in the destination directory. I strongly recommend to use this method as this can be a great solution to back up your entire directories, which will keep it up to date and help you avoid duplicate files. So, you made it till the end. Great! Here's a bonus tip for you. First, I want you to open Programs and Features from Control Panel. Then, open Turn Windows Features on or off. In here, scroll down and enable Telnet Client. Now, in Command Prompt, type in this command. Now sit back and relax because you're now watching the Star Wars Episode 4 movie. That's right, the movie will start immediately, and on that note, I'll go and grab some popcorn and enjoy this. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, share it with your circles and don't forget to check out my other videos. Take care and have a great day. Bye.